This is Rally CRM. The moment you log in, your dashboard gives you a complete picture of your business. At the top, you've got your key metrics at a glance: total contacts, active deals, and their pipeline value, total revenue from closed deals, and your email campaign performance. Below that, quick action buttons let you jump straight into creating a contact, a deal, logging an activity, or launching a campaign, all one click away. Your pipeline overview breaks down every stage, how many deals, what they're worth, and these charts show your revenue trend over time, your deal funnel, activity breakdown, and deal status distribution. And down here, your recent activity timeline and upcoming tasks keep you focused on what matters today. Let's dig into where the real work happens. Contacts are the foundation of any CRM. Rally gives you a powerful, clean contact management system. Right away, you see your totals: how many contacts, how many are leads versus customers, and how many came in this month. The contact table shows everything you need: name with avatar, email, phone, job title, and two things most CRMs charge extra for: lead scoring and lifecycle stage tracking, built right in. Lead scores are calculated automatically using machine learning. No setup required. Rally analyzes engagement patterns and scores every contact from A to F. You can filter contacts by lifecycle stage: subscriber, lead, marketing qualified, sales qualified, opportunity, customer, or evangelist. Or filter by lead source to see where your contacts are coming from. Two AI-powered features right here on the toolbar. Find Duplicates uses fuzzy matching to catch near duplicates across your database. And Enrich All pulls in missing data from external sources like Clearbit and Hunter.io. Adding a new contact takes seconds. Fill in the basics: name, email, phone, job title. Set their lifecycle stage and lead source. Save, and they're in your system. Click into any contact for the full picture. You get their complete profile, related company, all activities and interactions, email history, custom fields, and a full timeline of every touch point. Everything in one place. Companies work hand in hand with contacts. Rally displays them as visual cards showing industry, location, employee count, revenue, and website. Each card is a snapshot. You can see at a glance that Acme Tech has 500 employees and $2 million in annual revenue. Click through for the full company profile with all related contacts and deals. And just like contacts, companies support custom fields so you can track whatever matters to your business. This is where Rally really shines. Your sales pipeline. Up top, you see your total deals, total pipeline value, and weighted value based on stage probabilities. You can switch between multiple pipelines if you've set up more than one. Each column is a stage in your pipeline: lead, qualified, meeting, proposal, negotiation, won, and lost. Every deal card shows the contact, company, deal value, and expected close date. Moving deals through your pipeline is drag and drop. Grab a deal, drag it to the next stage, done. When you've got a full pipeline, the advanced filters help you focus. Filter by deal owner, status, close date range, deal value, or BANT qualification score. Click into any deal for the complete story. At the top, the stage progression shows exactly where this deal is. You can click any stage to move the deal forward or backward. Each stage shows its win probability. Below that, the deal value, associated contact and company, expected close date, and the full activity timeline, plus BANT qualification scoring, budget, authority, need, timeline. So your team qualifies deals consistently. Activities track every interaction: calls, emails, meetings, tasks, and notes. Your stats show total activities, what's scheduled, what's overdue, and what you completed today. Filter by type or status, or by date range to review any time period. Click Log Activity to record a new interaction tied to a contact or deal. The calendar view gives you a visual layout of all your activities. Rally syncs bidirectionally with Google Calendar and Outlook. Events created here show up on your calendar and vice versa. The smart scheduling feature uses AI to find optimal meeting times based on your availability and past patterns. Rally has a built-in inbox that syncs with Gmail and Outlook. No third-party plugins needed. Every email is synced in real time. You can see who it's from, the subject line, whether it's been read, and which provider it came from, Gmail or Outlook. Star important messages, search across all your email, or filter by provider, or read status. Click any email to read the full thread, and the contact is automatically linked. Rally creates contacts from email addresses it hasn't seen before, so your CRM stays up to date without manual data entry. Emails also show up in the contacts activity timeline, so you always have the complete conversation history. For outbound marketing, Rally has a full email campaign system powered by SendGrid. You see your campaign performance at a glance. Total sent, open rates, click rates. Filter by status to see drafts, scheduled, or sent campaigns. Each campaign shows detailed analytics, recipients, open rate, click rate, and when it was sent. Rally includes over 100 built-in email templates, and you can manage your own templates right from the templates section. Rally's Form Builder lets you create embeddable web forms that feed directly into your CRM. Each form tracks views, submissions, and conversion rate. You can build forms with a drag-and-drop editor, add text fields, drop-downs, checkboxes, and more. When someone submits a form, Rally automatically creates or updates a contact and can trigger a workflow. This is where Rally saves your team hours every week. The workflow automation engine gives you 70+ triggers and 60+ actions, more than most enterprise CRMs. Your workflow dashboard shows all automations, whether they're active, how many times they've run, and what triggers them. You can build workflows two ways. The Visual Builder lets you design step-by-step automations. Pick a trigger like when a contact is created, then chain actions. Send a welcome email, create a follow-up task, wait 3 days, then add them to a nurture campaign. Add conditions for branching logic. If they're a lead, do this. If they're a customer, do that. Or use Create with AI. Describe what you want in plain English and Rally builds the workflow for you. Rally gives you real reporting, not just data dumps. The reports dashboard starts with your key metrics, contacts, companies, deals, pipeline value, won revenue, and new deals this month. Pre-built reports cover everything: pipeline funnel, deal aging, sales velocity, lead conversion, win-loss analysis, call analytics, and form attribution. And you've got AI-powered forecasting that predicts future revenue based on your pipeline trends. Plus, the custom report builder lets you create exactly the reports you need and schedule them to be delivered automatically. Most CRMs let your data rot. Rally actively monitors data quality with the Data Hygiene dashboard. Your overall health score is a composite of 4 factors: duplicates, completeness, freshness, and normalization. Each one is scored and color-coded so you know exactly where to focus. One click to normalize phone numbers and addresses across your database. One click to scan for duplicates. Rally finds the problems and helps you fix them in bulk. And this is Rally Agent, your AI-powered CRM assistant. Ask it anything in plain English. What should I focus on today? Show me stalled deals. Find contacts from the tech industry. Rally Agent queries your CRM data in real time and gives you actionable answers. It's not just search. It understands context, makes recommendations, and helps you prioritize your pipeline. Think of it as a team member who's read every note, email, and activity in your CRM. Under the hood, you've got full control. Custom fields, custom objects, pipeline configuration, roles and permissions, audit logs for compliance, webhooks, API keys, and integrations with Slack, Teams, and Zapier. That's Rally CRM. Contacts, companies, deals, email, calendar, automation, AI, and analytics. All included. No per-seat pricing, no feature gates. Start your free trial at rallycrm.com.